pockets. So measurement is also paramount when it comes to emulsion. So now we are going to produce emulsion. So now we are producing emulsion paints. So this is where the price. I think it's good you are here so you can see the emulsion paints you're about to produce. So first of all, the first thing you put inside, I can use my hand to produce without reflecting on your skin. But common production, just mostly when I use my machine because of the dust. So no. So
You add your
casual first. This is your powder.
Is that like particular liter? A particular
Yes, yes. So now, this is 4K. For what we are producing now is 4 liters. We have 20 liters of buckets and we have 4 liters. So this is 4 liters we're producing now. So the quantity I'm using, I already measured it before coming. In case this thing is messed up, so we won't just have to make back and forth. So we are making about 2 kg of calcium. To get 2 kg of calcium to produce 4 liters of. So we also make use of 2 kg of water. So 2 kg calcium, 2 kg water. So you just stir it. And make sure you turn it well for everything to get mixed. We are done turning now. And it's now and so now, titan on the outside is the nest. So if like what we have now is this is about this should be 500 grams. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's 500 grams. But I'm not making use of this 500 grams. Only this alone. If I want to produce emulsion paint, this thing can give me a good coverage. But if I now want to get a superb coverage, I'm now making use of 1 kg. You know, 1000 kg. Sorry, 1 kg is 1000 grams. Yeah, well, mathematics. Yeah. So, well, this should be this is 500 grams. Just so but I'm not making use of it. So, normally what you do, I use 1 kg. I use 500 grams to produce 120 liters. So, depending on the kind of, I can also decide to use 1 kg. So, what do I do now in this kind of case now? You divide that 500 grams by what? By 5. Because 4 liters, 20 liters. 5 of this will give you 20 liters. That is 20 divided by 4 will give you 5. So that is 5 of this will give you 20 liters. So if you are using 500 grams for 1 bucket, then you can for 20 liters and say 500 grams divided by what? 5. That is 100 grams. Trust me. So you make use of 100 grams. But if you personally want to increase your own, you can make use of 200 grams for this. So there is no limitation that it must be only 100 grams. All depends on kind of quality. Like I said, there's some work I want to go. I don't decide. I can even use 2 kg. That I will just roll it once and move ahead. I don't need to do 2 coating. You get? So from now. So you already know the measurement. So those should be ones. Oh, I will have used this thing for this really 100 grams. No problem. buy this paint, the person will enjoy. I'm already using more than. Yeah, it's 200 grams. I hope you don't need to, but I'll say maybe at the end of the day, I'll give it to somebody that's.
Please make me like so I
Yes.
used to paint you.
And so, then you turn it also. There's one we call carbon, though I didn't bring it. I didn't normally use it because I make use of machine. It just helps in dissolving all these small particles. But most times I don't use it because I always make use of